viewers. Welcome to day 6 of 26 days to master letter sounds. I am Hannah from Speechcraft Educational Services. Yesterday, we learned the letter E. Letter E sounds letter E sounds and today we're moving forward to the sound of letter F. Come with me. Letter F sounds. You place your top teeth on your lower lip and blow out air quietly because it's a voiceless sound. It's a quiet sound. It's a voiceless sound. You don't use your voice when you're articulating the sound. Let's try it again. One more time. The last time. Correct. Letter F sounds as in fish, 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 fan, 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 fox, 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 flower, 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 finger, finger. I have 10 fingers. I have 10 fingers. That's correct. This is the phonetic symbol of letter F. Listen to the sound in the following words. Family, family, future, future, after, after, shelf, 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 February, February, February. That's correct. Now let's take some sentences with the words. So I could say, I love my family. Do you love your family? I love my family. The future is bright. The future is bright. Let's meet after school today. Let's meet after school today. The shelf is beautiful. The shelf is beautiful. My brother was born in February. My brother was born in February. That will be all for today. Mastering the basics is the Speechcraft way to literacy. Practice the sound. See you tomorrow for the next letter sound. Bye for now. Bye.